Hi everyone, this is attorney Ogmen, and today I'm in front of you to share the latest news we have on immigration. This year, after the Senate and Congress passed the big beautiful bill, and after President Trump signs that bill, we see actually fee changes coming to immigration and USCIS. And starting basically July 22nd, 2025, US immigration applications are going to be more expensive. And new law actually is raising the fee across the board from asylum to green cards. Basically, under this, as I mentioned, the new one big beautiful bill that the US government is rolling out a major immigration fee increases. And if your application is submitted after August 21st, of this year and doesn't include the updated fees, it will be rejected. So some of the new costs that I'll talk to you about is going to be asylum applications. So asylum applications are going to cost now $100 upfront filing fee, and plus every year $100 if there's no result on the application yet. So if it's pending, so the applicant have to pay $100 each year. So, and there's not going to be any fee waiver application for this filing fees. So any alien who files the form I-589 asylum application after October 1st, 2024, and that remains pending with the USCIS for 365 days must pay this additional 1-year anniversary of his or her filing date, and each year thereafter that the application remains pending on such a day of calendar year. So this is really interesting move. And this is really different than what we have been experiencing before, especially with the fee changes. And here, starting actually this week, now 589 applications will have to be included $100 filing fee. And also, if the applications continue to be pending, especially for the ones that file after October 1st of last year, 2024, and continue with the new filings, each year they have to pay additional $100 until their 589 application is actually concluded or they get a result. So that's, I believe, it's very interesting, and so we would like to share that with our followers. It's a really important part. And also related with some of the employment work applications, work permit applications, filing fees are going to be for the first time $550, and it's going to be $275 for the renewals. And with respect to green card applications, which is 485 applications, but with the immigration court, that means if you are in immigration court removal proceedings, and if you're filing your green card application with immigration court, then your filing fee is going to be $1,500. It was $1,440, but now it's going to be $1,500. This does not include the applications that's being filed with the USCIS, because they're going to continue to be $1,440 for now, but we're going to see with the new additional changes what we'll see. But for now, with the 485 application filing fee, which is going to be changed to increase to $1,500, that's going to be for immigration court filings. And at the same time, temporary protected statuses are going to cost $500 plus work permit fees, and also parole application is going to cost $1,000 plus employment authorization application fee. And we see about new actually fee, which we're going to be finding out soon about it, visa integrated fee, which is going to cost around $250, almost all visa categories. But we're going to get into more of that detail later on. But we could say that this type of fees, and especially also during the immigration court proceedings, filing motions are going to cost up to $900. So especially this changes are going to be taking effect starting July 22nd of 2025, which is going to be this week. But at the same time, we'll be sharing with you any new actually changes we'll be seeing. Another thing is about the visa integrity fee, which is going to be a brand new actually $250 fee for it, which is going to be called visa integrity fee for most non-immigrant visas, and such as H1B, F1, J1, B2s, it will go like that. But one good news on that, it won't apply to travelers from most visa waiver countries like Canada or UK. But we'll see. It sounds like it's going to be in a way that some applicants might even get a refund if they comply with the visa terms and leave on time. But we'll share more news about this later on. But what we are seeing so far is that new changes is happening with respect to USCIS filing fees, and then we'll be sharing with you more changes or updates to filing fees soon. I hope this news help our followers. Have a great day. This is attorney Ayhan Ahmed.